Hey, welcome back. Well, Virginia and I decided to take a few weeks off and I guess take some downtime from the stressors of the river property. So we are working on another property, the lake property. You may have seen some of the videos that we've done on that. We're in the process right now of tearing down the existing structure. We did give away the RV, but I wanted to talk with you a little bit about the ideas we have, a layout idea, and I've done some drawings and talked about that a little bit more. In the meantime, these are some videos of our getaway, and I thought you might enjoy them. They're of the beach in North Carolina. So I've done a basic preliminary sketch of what the house may look like at the lake, and I'm saying may because things sometimes change, but the idea is this is where the road is out here and the lake is off that way. So you have somewhat of a view here, and we will be taking down some trees there's a huge tree here that will need to come down. It's huge, it's a pine tree. Anyway, it's still not completely torn down, but hopefully that will happen soon. We can take some exacting measurements and I'll readjust whatever this length is. Right now, this is where the RV was and it came to about there. So I did extend it a little bit that way for more square footage. So square footage is an important issue when you're thinking about potentially selling. So from here to here is 49 feet. From here to here is 31 feet. Again, those dimensions may change, but the idea is for a 3-bedroom, 3-bath space. Now here will be glass windows because the view is out that way, and a little bit of view here. So I don't know if I'll have the tall glass windows ceiling to floor along here, absolutely, and along here also. This is going to just be a little sitting room with a fireplace in it. So views, yes, but not huge views like right along here. These are going to be greater. And this will be a deck. So this is going to be kitchen, living room, dining room area in here. And so far I'm thinking steps here. The bathroom, which is a shared bathroom for guests, as well as this bedroom. So I might have a door here for the bathroom and a door here for the bedroom. Again, it's preliminary. Now upstairs, you go into the steps at the bottom here and go up to the top. And that will take you to this level, this master bedroom. This is master on the second floor. It will go the entire length, which is 31 feet from this corner to this corner, and 17 feet from here to here. This is a big space. This I want to have as a sitting room, so there's no extra way to get in there. Possibly instead of a window here, these are windows, but possibly instead of a window, maybe a sliding glass door and a little deck on top or maybe a deck this way. So this master bedroom has a little sitting room. We could put another fireplace in there for ambiance, but this is the bathroom. It's you go up the stairs here, you come out, you can go into this other bedroom or into this master bedroom, and the stairs you go up here, and then there's an entranceway here to get into this bathroom. Or depending, put the bathroom here and go in this way and put this bathroom for this bedroom. Again, this is another bedroom. And this is nothing right now. We might do a little deck, maybe a little deck like a balcony here, or maybe a balcony here for this sitting room, which is part of the master bedroom. Anyway, just tossing around ideas. If anybody has some other ideas and some layouts that they want to share with us, I'm all ears to hear other ideas. This is not easy to envision, a layout for a house starting from scratch. But it would be a 3-bedroom home with 3 bathrooms, full bathrooms. The one downstairs would obviously be a full bathroom because it's supporting this bedroom. So anyway, any ideas, let us know. It'd be great to hear from other people and see what they think, and if they've actually got some drawings of things that they think will work. Just explaining it. Oh, here's a sliding glass door on the bottom, and there's another, on the top, and here's another sliding glass door on the bottom to get out onto this deck, which has absolutely amazing views. So, with all of that in mind, we have to go there and take some exact measurements, front to back, side to side. Again, out here will be a driveway. There is a place over here that could be a driveway, and we're going to do a foundation on this. This is upstairs, though. There'll be a foundation all the way like this, like an L. We don't need a foundation over the deck, under the deck. Pilings, yeah. The foundation, no. So if we can, if it's high enough, this area goes down. There's a hill here, and it starts higher here, and it goes down over here. It's probably 4 or 5 feet lower here than it is over here, the land itself. So I don't know if we can leave a hole here in the foundation to put a golf cart in there. People are big on golf carts up here. So that's a possibility. I don't know, though. I don't know if that's a good idea. Then again, these may be pillars, and the foundation may go just here, 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 all the way back here. So a severe rectangle. We don't know. We've got to really do our due diligence and talk to people and find out what is the best solution. Okay, more on this later. Those stumps are going to be an issue that have to either come out or just be avoided with pillars because they decay and leave holes, so we don't want that. And there's another one right here. This is Scott. He is a geoengineer, and he's giving us his impression and opinions on if we can build on this and what we need to do to make that happen. Obviously, this bulkhead, whatever those posts are, railroad ties, will have to come out. That tree is going to come down, that one right there.
You hired your contractor. You're building.
Yeah.
Has he been in?
He's not been under here, no. Yeah, I see that tipping.
You know where you don't want to walk.
Right, well, we already knew that.
So, remember what I was talking about? So this is dirt that doesn't belong.
Right.
Isn't native, that was brought in.
The native fill, like this stuff down here, that is okay and stable, but anything that was put in later is not. Like what's behind that bulkhead.
As far as building, I don't know. Stable as it was 3 months ago, it looks like it.
It's stable. This is the bulkhead. All of that's got to go out because the dirt is not native, and that needs to be taken out. And this is really steep. This is like, I can't even tell you how steep it is. I'd guess at an angle, but what's guessing worth? This is a vantage point looking back. There's down the steep drop. This is the deck.